Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing these toothbrush sets that I got for the kids. I got one for Ellie and one for Christian. Really nice. It comes with blue and green, and I believe they also have pink. It comes with a nice little travel case that they can take it with them. It comes with the base for charging, so you easily just plug this into a charger, a plug, and then you just place it on and it charges. So this is really nice and convenient. It comes with 4 extra brushes like this, and it also comes with 2 in each case, so it's really nice. So perfect. You turn it on, it's got a really nice grip, right? You like it? Mm-hmm. It feels really soft and it's perfect to handle. And then it's got a 2-minute auto timer, so after the 2 minutes it'll shut off. So that's how they know that brushing time is done. So really cool. It's got 3 different settings: clean, sensitive, and massage. And then right here it tells you when the battery is almost done. So sensitive, and then massage does like a so it's really cool, right? It feels amazing. He loves it. It even has like the tongue scraper on the back. So awesome. We love these. The kids they enjoy brushing their teeth now with this. It's perfect. And you can simply pull this off and swap in a new brush once that one is done. So really great, right? We highly recommend it. We hope you enjoy. Bye.